See, I usually clip it. Let me see, do I really need that on there? I don't. All right. So adding the swag, you just need to attach it corner to corner. I did not attach it from here, just the little dots on the side, the little corners there. Make sure they're in the corner of each piece. That part to this part. Okay? So let me make sure. Yep, I didn't add it. All right, so I'm just going to take a little glue. Let's use this one. I don't want too much glue. This one has a little thing. This is that pretty detail on it, if y'all can see that. It's got the little roses on it embedded. So I'm going to put the little dots here and here. That's the only places we're going to attach it. So then you pick it up, you make sure that it attaches to one side there. I'm turn it upside down so I can get them both on there. It will fit. There you go. Come on. I'm moving it. My hand's sticky. Alright, so I liked how that one is. Let me check this. Oh, that is so cute. Let me move this down a little bit before it sticks. Want that to be up a little bit. There we go. Because I want it to be just, see how that looks? You want it to be sticking out just a little bit. There we go. I want it just like that, but I don't want it to show that little purple. So I'm trying to get it where it's not showing that little purple that's right there. You want to give me a hard time, huh? There we go. Look at that. Now, isn't that cute? So now you go around the whole side, and because these are touching each other, I'm going to add them on top. Here to here. And then I'm going to add a little bow in between so you can't see their connection. Alright, so let's do it. Did any of y'all buy this die from the last time when I showed that my first one? This die is amazing. It's just so super cute. If I can get it on here. There we go. However you can manage to get it on there. There we go. I'm just holding it down. Because you're putting it side by side, I didn't like it that it had the two little things right there, so that's why I added a bow. You might like that. I mean, it's not ugly. I just didn't like it. Just adding glue. And I'm sticking it side by side. And make sure I get this side. There you go. If you want to line the inside, you can go right ahead. That's just more die cutting for you. Like you can use that die that we made for the inside, cut off the tabs, and then cover the inside if you want to. If you're worrying about the magnets and all that, I don't think that's a problem. You have to remember this is a paper craft item. Paper. Now, sometimes you can go that extra mile if you want to. I just know there's a lot of little pieces. Especially if you go into doing all the intricate little dies. The little, what do you call it? The inlet insets. Let me turn on my hot glue gun before I forget. That's the only way I'm going to add the bows on. just had to press the button. That's that Jumbo. No, that's not Jumbo. That's Juice. Juice is out there. He's been attached to me, boy. Jumbo's not here anymore. He getting his time in with me. I can't sit down on the my recliner. He right in my lap. Cause see, when Jumbo's here, Jumbo dominates. He takes all his lap time. He is not playing with none of them. And none of them better not come and try to sit on me, because then he'll push them off of me so that he can sit. So now that Jumbo is with Trinity at college, Juice getting all his time. And Juice is my other daughter's dog. And Jumbo and Juice are the same, they're brothers. And they're the same age. So that is hilarious. He's sitting right at my door right now. Outside my door in my craft house. He probably hear me saying his name. All right, so the last one. I love putting that little textured little swag on there. So I try to find the coordinating colors that go with the pattern paper in Tonic's specialty card. I absolutely love how that looks when you do that. Look at that. Okay. Let's put that down, put my top back on. Then we're going to add the bows around it. And I think that is it, guys. And, of course, this is going to someone. So once I'm totally done with all the decoration, and I do a project share for her, then y'all will see what it finally looks like. Okay, that's the wrong way. This is the front. Okay. Did I do it? Yeah, that looks like it. Because you want to put them on you can tell if they're right or not because the magnets won't fit. It won't be touching anything. Okay. Once they're touching, as long as you don't jerk on it, it'll be okay. And this is probably why some people just go ahead and glue it together instead of letting it be a box to put stuff in at the top. Oh my gosh, that is just too stinking cute. So let me show y'all while it's like that. Look how cute that is. OMG. All right, so now let's put, I can take that off. We don't have to have it on there. Let's put some bows on there and we'll be done with this tutorial. So what I was thinking were either this color on there or the lavender. Oh Lord, did I lose some? That might be cuter. OMG. I don't know which one. That is so cute. I'll make sure I keep that activated. Or what about this little polka dot? A darker purple. I don't like that. Nope. Or like I did with the other one, I used the red clay bows. Now these are pink. I'm trying to keep with the purple thing. She loves purple, but there's pink in here. Or those. Y'all will see. I don't know. I think that hot pink is just a little bit too much. I think we're going to go with... Ooh, what about the black and white? Just no. Okay. It's going to be either the purple or this gold. I'm thinking the purple. I think that is just too stinking freaking cute. Okay. So let me get 6. And I'm glad I had 6. I mean exactly 6 of this color. I forgot, who did I get those from? Probably Auntie Allie. And remember, I'm gonna have beads hanging on the strand, and then I think I'm going to add some of these from Happy Crafter Shop. This came in my guest design team box. I think this would be cute along there. Just adding a little bit more of that pink, yellow. See, I love that. So I think these are going to go on the basket on 2 sides. I have to see how it looks once I'm finished. And then those beads will be on there, I think. All right, so let me go ahead and add that. I'm loving how that is turned out. I'm going to put some hot glue. Let's see which way I'm going to put it. All right, so let's put hot glue here. I'm just putting it right there on the edge of both of the little banner things. And I love how these bows, they stick out. They're not flat to the box. So that gives it another dimension. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Isn't that cute? OMG. So let's do that all the way around. And then we're going to call it done. This tutorial done. Just wanted to show you real quick how easy it is to decorate. It's just, I mean, the long it is, it's just, what are you going to choose to put on it? I think that is always the longest part, is choosing what you're going to use. But when you have beautiful papers like this here, Anna Griffin, oh, I just love it. Flowers are just so beautiful. Y'all know I love flowers. Okay. And this will be the last piece, guys. I hope y'all love this tutorial. And if you got the this hot air balloon, I hope this video made it easier for you to put it together. I'm gonna have little cobwebs I'm gonna have to get off. I want to get to another Tonic Studio die set I want to create for y'all. This is just freaking adorable. Absolutely love it. All right, 6-1. Don't you come apart. You're the last one I got. There we go. No problems. I'm gonna have to make me another purchase. I got all the other colors. Oh no, you better stay the last bit. There we go. Yay! This turned out so freaking cute. Oh, I just thought of something else you can make with these. Even just using the top, like a wind chime. So you can put little wind chimes hanging from the top. String it all through the hole. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna make me one hang outside my door, but it has to be close to my window. If it rains, I mean, I have a porch, so it might not get it, but I have to put it probably closer to my window. Oh my gosh, isn't that cute, guys? Can y'all actually see that? I got it sitting up. Look at that. Adorable. Now let me put it to the top here. Nope, that ain't right. I think it's this way. Let's see, where's the front? I think this is the front. Yep, I can feel it snatch it. But you just have to make sure it's on the... Did I put it on the wrong way? I might have. Let's turn it this way to see. Been great if I would have thought about which side I was putting them on. I think I did that with the first one, because I don't want to take too much time to try to think of which way to put them. The magnet, because then it wouldn't matter which way you stuck these down. It'll grab it and go. I think the next one I do, I'm going to attach it. That's not the right way. Yeah, I can tell now. And I know this is the front, because that's where I got it even, and I know this is the front, because I wanted that rose. Okay, there we go. There we go. It'll pull itself with it. I'm just trying to make sure because I got the swag on there now. Look at that. OMG. You keep doing that, I'm going to take you off of here. Okay. Get inside the box so I can show these people how pretty you turned out. Absolutely love this die set. It's like it's not grabbing for some reason. Now you were doing just fine. Now all of a sudden you want to act up when company here. That's what you do? Okay. I gotta make sure it's the front. That's this way. That's this way. And where are the magnets? There and there. There we go. Jeez. See how it keeps trying to pull to the side? Okay, let me not pull this. Y'all can see how that looks with the little string. Look how freaking adorable. This paper is gorgeous. I'm going to pull out another piece and do another pattern. This is so pretty. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. I will be adding more, and when I do a project share for what I'm sending her, y'all will see what else I do to it. But y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.